Friends, the first step, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on edit photo and select the model image. Friends, today we're going to edit special dual tone photo editing tutorial. Okay, the first step, go to tools, tap on adjust, tap on saturation, decrease the saturation to 5 and increase the brightness to around 10 or 15. Okay, now tap on eraser, tap on invert, now tap on restore, keep the size like this and we have to draw on the model image. First step, I am going to improve the skin tone color to white. Okay, friends, it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark, tap on tick. The next step, I am going to tools, tap on adjust, increase the saturation little bit. Okay, around 50. Okay, around 50. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to effects. You have to tap on these colors and tap on this color splash and keep this plus icon on the skin. That's it, keep the plus icon on the screen and tap on tick mark. Next step, go to effects, tap on this artistic and you have to select the polygon. Okay, select the polygon and keep this around 50 and the fade it around 0. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, now tap on restore, decrease the size and you have to draw on the glasses. If you don't have, just skip this step. Okay, now tap on tick mark. It's perfect. Next step, go to effects, have to tap on this artistic and select the oil painting and keep this amount around 30 and fade it around 5. Now tap on eraser, tap on this invert, now tap on restore and you have to start drawing on the model hair. Friends, it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the DuaL light PNG. This is the DuaL light PNG. Simply stretch out and you have to arrange it like this. Tap on blend and you have to simply make it overlay or add. You can make it overlay like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to tools, tap on adjust, increase the brightness to 10, increase the clarity and give little contrast, give little highlights and give little shadow. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special dual tone photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before image and this is the final output. You can see the difference. Oil painting dual photo editing tutorial, before and final image. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.